Earlier today, there was a demolition drive near Turkman Gate that led to some kind of chaos as well. There was stone pelting that was reported. Some policemen got injured as well. Now, the latest is that the Delhi police officials have confirmed to Times Now that Samajwadi Party MP Mohibullah Nadvi was also present at the spot before the demolition drive began. And around 1 a.m., when stone pelting took place. The Bharatiya Janata Party has now questioned as to why a Samajwadi Party MP was present at this particular site ahead of the anti-encroachment drive. Listen in.
SP MP Nadvi was also present on the location. This is information. This is coming from Samajwadi Party.
We are investigating on that aspect.
Have you got any information regarding his presence here?
Before the demolition started, there was an honorable MP from a particular party. He was present there.
So will he be told to join the
we will look into it.
Let's straight away go across to my colleague Priyank Tripathi joining us live right now for more on this. Priyank, it's a new twist in this entire story that we've got. Firstly, can you explain to us what was this Rampur MP really doing around 1 a.m. near Turkman Gate where a demolition drive was to be carried out?
Hey, that's a big question, Nina, because he is a member of parliament from Rampur. He was in the national capital and he came here. Let's talk to a few of the members of the peace committee who were member when the Delhi police was trying to calm down the situation. Sir, आप लोग peace committee के member थे. क्या गड़बड़ी हुई कि ऐसे दंगे फैल गए?
सर, ये अफवाह फैली कि मस्जिद को टारगेट किया जा रहा है, जबकि मस्जिद का इस डेमोलिशन से कोई मकसद नहीं था। जब पब्लिकली सुना कि मस्जिद का हिस्सा आ रहा है इसमें या मस्जिद को डेमोलिशन किया जा रहा है, तो पब्लिक फिर बाहर निकली।
कितनी मीटिंग्स हुई थी आप लोग की?
हमारी तो लगातार एक हफ्ते से मीटिंग हो रही है, थाने लेवल पर हो रही है, एसीबी लेवल पर हो रही है, डीसीबी लेवल पर हो रही है। तो वहाँ पर पुलिस ने हमको यही इंश्योर किया था कि मस्जिद से इस डेमोलिशन का कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है, और हुआ भी यही।
हमें जो तस्वीरें मिली उसमें समाजवादी पार्टी के एक मेंबर पार्लियामेंट है, क्या वो इस पीस कमेटी की मीटिंग में पार्टिसिपेट करते थे आपके साथ?
नहीं, हमारे साथ नहीं किया उन्होंने।
कभी भी पीस कमेटी की मीटिंग में नहीं?
हमारे साथ तो नहीं आया। जो हमारी कमेटी हुई थी उसमें जो अपना सेंडर डिस्ट्रिक्ट के जितने भी लोग थे, तो उसमें तकरीबन 100-150 लोग हमारे आए थे, और उनके साथ पुलिस ने बहुत अच्छी तरह बात की और पुलिस ने समझाया कि
लोकल लोग सपोर्ट कर रहे थे और ये नेता आए और उसके बाद ये दंगे।
नेता को तो काम है ही नहीं हमारे बीच में आना। ये जो काम है ये नेता को नहीं है। तो
कितने साल से रह रहे हैं यहाँ पे?
सर, मुझे 25 साल हो गए।
अच्छा।
और मेरे बाप दादा यहीं के हैं।
तो 50 साल पहले भी यहाँ पे कांग्रेस की सरकार में बहुत बड़ा ड्राइव चला था, 15 लोग मरे थे। उस समय क्या हुआ था, कुछ याद?
हम लोग यहाँ पर 47 भी पहले के हैं। कांग्रेस के टाइम पे भी यही चला था जी, जिसमें के बेकसूर लोग मारे गए थे जब कांग्रेस नहीं था। तो सरकारें तो आती है तो ऐसा करती है, तो हमें सरकारों से कोई मतलब नहीं, ना हमें नेताओं से कोई मतलब है।
There you heard, that's a point which I wanted to bring to our viewers, that 50 years back, while Sanjay Gandhi during the Congress era wanted to have a cleaner Delhi, there was a demolition drive which happened here, which resulted into firing, and 15 people lost their life. What is very important and significant after talking to one of the members of the peace committee is that this member of parliament from the Samajwadi Party never took participation in any of the peace committee meeting. There were 7 meetings which happened. So what led to him coming here and later to resulted into violence is something which he will be able to make it understand to the Delhi police official. We are only questioning his presence here, that so far nothing had happened. The peace committee meetings were going on very peacefully. There was no instruction to attack any kind of religious structure which is present here. It was a demolition drive only meant to demolish the illegal structure which was built around this particular religious structure is concerned. If the MP did not take participation, then what was the point of him to come here and later to resulting into this kind of violence, where 7 police persons have been grievously injured, that too this place having a history that 15 people were killed in the police firing. So there is certainly something murkier which need to be probed by the Delhi police. That's why Madhur Verma, the joint secretary, has told it to me that they are looking into larger conspiracy probe.
Right.
We have also analyzed the CCTV footage and the videos, which is showing a different kind of pattern, which is certainly, very dubious in nature.
Right. Priyank Tripathi, requested to please stay on with us. The update that Priyank is also giving us right now, viewers, is that 7 cops, in fact, got injured in the stone pelting that happened during a court-mandated demolition. Now, viewers, this particular MP of Samajwadi Party, who was also seen at the spot of this demolition drive, we spoke with him a couple of minutes ago, and here's what he told us.
एक मस्जिद महरोली मस्जिद इससे पहले हमने पार्लियामेंट में भी जिक्र किया था। एक मस्जिद रातों रात शहीद कर दी गई थी अतिक्रमण के बहाने नाम लेकर के, और हमें ये खदशा था कि इस मस्जिद गिराएगा और पब्लिक जो है वो कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि अपना होश खो बैठे। तो पब्लिक से सलामती के लिए रखें, और कमेटी से और जो हमारा एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है उनसे हाथ मालूम करने गए थे कि भाई क्या इसका वो है कि इस तरह से जो है पूरे इलाके को घेर करके और 1000 डिप्लॉयड करके पुलिस को और उस तरह से उसको जो है वो करने की क्या जरूरत है। अगर मुल्क की खिलाफ गिराया जा रहा है या लोगों में भय फैल रहा है नाजायज, मेरी जिम्मेदारी है कि मैं पहुंचूं।
जानबूझकर आप यहाँ पर पहुंचे ताकि लोगों को आप भड़का सके, यहाँ पर आरोप है, इसका जवाब दीजिए।
देखिए ये आरोप सरासर गलत है।
And we have some more breaking inputs, viewers, coming in at this point in time. We have a reaction coming in from Delhi's mayor as well. And the mayor, in fact, has mentioned that the MCD was only following High Court's order. Only illegal encroachments were being removed. And there are some people who are trying to mislead. Listen in to this reaction from Delhi's mayor.
देखो, ये तो माननीय हाई कोर्ट का आदेश था। म्यूनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन ने केवल आदेश का पालन किया। रामलीला ग्राउंड पे अवैध कब्जा था जिसमें बैंक्वेट हॉल चल रहा था, तो उसको हटाया गया और कोर्ट का जो भी आदेश होगा उसका पालन सख्ती से हो। देखो, जितने भी अवैध निर्माण है सब हटेंगे। मैं सभी लोगों को आपके माध्यम से कहना चाहता हूँ, देखो जब सरकार काम करती है हम तो जनहित की बात करते हैं, मगर उसमें क्या होता है कई बार एंगल बदल देते हैं। कुछ धार्मिक लोग, सामाजिक लोग एंगल बदल देते हैं, लोगों को गुमराह करते हैं, अफवाहें फैलाते हैं, तो कई बार ऐसी घटनाएं हो जाती है, मगर इन चीज़ों का हम पर कोई असर नहीं है। हमारा मानना ये है कि दिल्ली को साफ, सुंदर और हम स्वस्थ बनाएं।
Let's go back to my colleague Priyank Tripathi, continues to be with us at this point in time. Priyank, we just heard what Mohibullah Nadvi, the Samajwadi Party MP from Rampur, had to say after his presence at the spot was confirmed by the cops. And we have the visuals as well from the site. And he was trying to tell us that he was there to ensure safety of the people. Firstly, who really authorized him to reach there, and who was he really trying to save the people from? There was heavy police bandobast in that entire area. There were cops in large numbers who were overseeing this court-mandated demolition drive.
See, Ina, we are not coming to any conclusion, but I would like to explain it to our viewers that what is the significance of member parliament being present here. This is the demolition site from where the debris are being removed, and this was the area which was totally barricaded by the Delhi police officials. Now we are going to the location which shows his presence. At around 1 a.m. post midnight, the member parliament came here, and can you see this barricade where the movement is still restricted for normal individual without checking the IDs. The movement is not allowed. So the member parliament and the Maulvi of the parliament mosque, both of them, Kartik, just stay there. Both of them are standing here and they are trying to make their way through towards this location. Isn't it a floutation of norm? Isn't it something which is obstruction in the kind of duty which the police officials were doing? This barricade has been placed, the deployment was made to stop individuals. He was trying to break through. So his justification that he was trying to control the crowd is not valid as per the visual evidence which we have managed to get. If at all, he would have been standing here just behind the barricade and trying to tell to people that calm down, I'm trying to control the situation, I'm trying to talk to the official, and we will try to put our point forward to the Delhi police, then that statement would have been justified. But breaking this particular layer, it certainly means that that he was trying to defy the law. He was trying to obstruct. That's why the sections of BNS 121 and 122 has been added in this particular FIR, which is obstruction in the public servants, duty, and trying to hurt those public individuals who have been trying to perform their duty. So the justification is not valid. There have been social media buzz that religious structure has been demolished, which is still standing very firm, very okay. If you look at this particular location, only the illegal structure, which was on the left-hand side of the
in this particular case. Let's talk about the investigation. You've been showing to us since morning that things are much better, things are under control. Cops have also told us that they managed to bring the entire situation under control within 2-3 minutes. There was stone pelting, yes, cops were injured, yes, but they could manage the situation very quickly. Now, tell us a little bit about the investigation. You told us an FIR has already been registered. Tell us about the number of people who have been detained, even as the cops are now looking at the conspiracy angle here. Are we also likely to see this Rampur MP getting called for questioning?
Certainly, that will happen, because what senior officials have told it to the Times Network, that the investigation has been given to the special staff of the local police, which is a specialized unit of the Delhi police. So we can say that that's kind of an SIT which is being headed by inspector rank officer. As far as the information regarding the individuals who were part of the rioting is concerned, we have the name of Adil, Kaif, Muhammad Adib, Udaif, Azim, Irfan. These are the individuals who have been identified with the basis of the video evidences who were stone pelting. Two more individuals, Adnan and Samir, have also been identified who have been circulating the videos on social media platform. But one more important factor which we need to touch is that there was a special hashtag ID which was created on the Instagram for this particular location protest, which was Delhi's 6th Dargah, which was made very much viral, and through this particular hashtag multiple videos were live streamed, and that was also posted on the social media platform. There is also the MP hasn't been identified in one of this particular hashtag. So everything will come under the purview of the investigation. Our viewers need to understand the FIR has been filed, individuals have been arrested, 5 people have been arrested, and in due course of time, since the law and order situation is developing, Delhi police is not in a condition to have any kind of further clash-like situation with the locals. They are not going inside too much, because we have seen that the gates have been locked, and as soon as other work will be over, then certainly that will count to going inside, bringing those individuals out who are perpetrators of this particular attack on the Delhi police team, and trying to obstruct this court order which was being applied by the MCD as well as the Delhi police.
Right. Priyank, request you to stay on with us. In fact, some videos have also emerged which have actually added a big twist in this entire story. Take a look at these videos.
तुर्कमान गेट की तरफ कर्फ्यू लगा रखा है इन्होंने। वो कर्फ्यू इस वजह से लगा रखा है कि ये बिल्डोजर से मस्जिद को तोड़ सके। मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ कि कितने सारे बिल्डोजर आए हुए हैं मस्जिद को तोड़ने के लिए। ये सामने आप देख रहे होंगे बिल्डोजर, मैं दिखाता हूँ कितने बिल्डोजर आए हैं। ये देखो, ये 1, 2, 3 क्रेन आई हुई है, ये 4, 5, इसके पीछे 6, 7, 8, 9, ये 10, ये 11, ये 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, ये क्रेन 20 ये क्रेन और 4 पीछे भी आ रही है, और ये क्रेन आ रही है मलबा उठाने के लिए। 20 तो ऐसे ही हो गई है, और ये देखो आगे भी बिल्डोजर है 4 और, ये देख लो 4 ये है। यानी मेरे भाइयों, घर पे बैठने से कुछ नहीं होगा, घर से निकलो, दरगाह फेज लेके बाहर आओ, पूरी रात काली करो, मस्जिद को कुछ होने नहीं देना है।